Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own USB rechargeable 9V Li-ion battery at home. Sounds cool, right? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about what you'll need. You're going to need a few components: a 9V battery shell, a 7V Li-ion battery, a TP4056 charging module, a step-up boost converter, some wire, and of course a soldering iron and some solder. Don't forget your safety gear. Goggles and gloves are a must. Alright, let's start by prepping the battery shell. Carefully open up the old 9V battery shell and make sure to remove the old battery cells inside. You'll want to keep the terminals intact, as we'll be reusing them later. Next, it's time to prep the Li-ion battery. Take your 7V Li-ion battery and solder 2 wires to the positive and negative terminals. Be careful not to short-circuit the battery while doing this. Now let's bring in the TP4056 charging module. This little guy is going to handle the charging for us. Solder the positive and negative wires from the Li-ion battery to the B+ and B terminals on the TP4056 module. Once that's done, it's time to connect the boost converter. This is what will step up the voltage to 9V. Solder the output terminals from the TP4056 module to the input terminals of the boost converter. Then, take the output wires from the boost converter and solder them to the corresponding terminals inside the 9V battery shell. Great, we're almost there. Double check all your connections to make sure everything is secure. Then carefully fit all the components back into the 9V battery shell. You might need to trim or adjust some of the parts to make everything fit snugly. Once everything is in place, close up the battery shell. You can use a bit of hot glue or tape to keep it secure. Now grab a USB cable and plug it into the TP4056 module to give your new rechargeable 9V battery its first charge. And there you have it, your very own USB rechargeable 9V Li-ion battery. This is a fantastic way to reuse old battery shells and have a reliable power source for your projects. Remember, working with electronics can be tricky, so take your time and follow the steps carefully. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome DIY tech projects. Thanks for watching, and happy building!